Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a feeling that many mothers may recognize. The sound of my pump became the soundtrack of my nights. When I first became a mom, I never imagined that the quiet hum of a pump would become such a familiar part of my life. Night after night, while the rest of the house was asleep, that gentle sound reminded me that another pumping session had begun. At first, those nights felt long and exhausting. I watched the clock, counted the minutes, and wondered when I would finally get a full night's sleep again. But as time passed, that familiar sound became more than just background noise. It became part of my routine, a reminder of the love, patience, and dedication that motherhood often requires. Some nights were peaceful, other nights were filled with interruptions, extra feedings, and unexpected challenges. No two nights were ever exactly the same. Preparing everything before bedtime helped make those quiet hours a little easier. Keeping my pump, storage containers, and cleaning supplies ready meant I could spend less time searching for things and more time focusing on my baby. There were moments when I felt tired, but I also reminded myself that this stage would not last forever. Every night was another small step in a journey that was constantly changing. If you hear the gentle sound of your pump tonight, remember that many mothers around the world are sharing that same moment. You are not alone in this experience. One day, those late night sessions will become memories, and the sound that once filled your nights will remind you of how much love and care you gave during this special season of life. Until then, be patient with yourself, celebrate the small victories, and remember that every session is part of your unique motherhood journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.